wanted to thank this hospital and institute for providing such wonderful service. I found this place, and it's a marvelous place online. This is the prime institute, I think, for liver transplants, I would say, in the world. I think that this has top quality, world-class standards, and if you need something, this is the best place to come for it. The hospital here is actually top of the line, from the doctors to staff to the medical supplies. It's one of the best that I've ever actually been at, and I've traveled all over the world. So this is an amazing feat for Pakistan, and it's definitely first class. Very few costs associated to tests. There were very minimal costs. The ability to provide those costs for less is here, and it's a better healthcare system in my opinion. For the most part, it is a safe country for people to travel. In general, there are very good people in Pakistan.